Finally get to use my cat ice cubes. And a little bit of scotch. Greetings and salutations, huge and lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. If you've seen the channel, you already know this, but if you haven't seen it, I collect lots of records. I collect vintage cocktail books and all kinds of knickknacks. And I started collecting cocktail paraphernalia from the past. A lot of my finds are from eBay nowadays because the flea markets just aren't the way they used to be. But I still find a lot of good deals in there. You just have to look around. I've had some good experiences and bad experiences. But this is what I got just right before Christmas. And I thought, well, this is a perfect one to show on camera because I just started opening it and I stopped. It's like, nope. Let's film this one because there are some eBay sellers out there that just go the extra step. Some of the stuff I bought from Japan have little origami cranes in them and stuff like that, or candies from other countries. But this seller, and I'm not going to go through the names because, it's just, it is what it is. But like I said, I started opening it. I got this far. And of course, it's at Christmas. And I got it just a few days before Christmas. And they had a nice little card with a sticker for Christmas for my receipt. This is what made it special and why I wanted to show you guys. Some people actually go the extra step and actually wrapped it up with your support of our small business is very much appreciated. It's on both sides. Aren't you curious to see what it is? It's not what you think it is. It isn't that kind of channel. So this is a vintage Pat O'Brien's Hurricane mug, still in the packaging. See if I can get this thing out without doing damage to it. Ta-da! And if you're familiar with Pat O'Brien's, they're famous for having those really red hurricanes. Part of the reason I bought a vintage one, not that I might actually use it, but I came across or acquired a vintage bottle of hurricane mix. And it's never been opened, and they said it's from the 50s. And it actually has alcohol in it, so it might actually still be drinkable. I might open it up one day and take the risk. I don't know, but it's a great looking bottle. There you go. I figured these probably make a nice little set piece. Maybe if I ever build an actual bar set. That's all I have to offer. Maybe I'll do more of these eBay unboxings because, you never know what you're gonna get. In the meantime, y'all know what to do. Cheers.